Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up your Z10 Smart Lockset. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through adding users, passcodes, RFID, fingerprint, and Face ID. Before we begin, make sure to have an admin access to the Z10 Smart Lock. Or if the Z10 hasn't been set up before, it will require you to set an admin passcode.
To add a master user by password.
Enter your desired admin passcode. The Z10 will ask you to enter it twice for confirmation.
Enter again. Success.
Now let's proceed to adding a new user. Enter the menu by pressing the asterisk and number sign
Press the number
buttons.
key to access.
This will display a list of options. 1. Add user, where you can add an admin user or a regular user. 2. Delete user, where you can manage and delete existing users. 3. System settings, where you can set the date and time, installation settings, function settings, and reset. 4. Language and log, where you can manage storage info, read records, set language, and adjust volume. Press 1 to select Add User, then press 1 to add an admin user or 2 for a regular user. Let's select 2.
Enter
Now,
unknown
let's enter your desired passcode combination.
Enter again. Success.
Now let's add another user for RFID. Press asterisk to return to Add User. Then press 2 for a regular user. Tap your RFID card on the Z10 IC card logo.
Success. Can constant enter.
Now let's add a fingerprint. Press asterisk to return to Add User. 2 for a regular
Enter
user.
unlocked information.
You will need to
Enter
press the
again.
fingerprint sensor 5
Enter
times
again.
until it confirms with success.
Enter again. Success.
Now let's add Face ID. Press 2 for a regular user.
Enter unlocked information.
Wait 3 seconds, and the Z10 will automatically detect your face. Follow the voice instructions, which will guide you to look in the right direction for accurate face registration.
Please look up. Please look down. Please look right. Please look left. Success.
And that's how to set up the Z10 and add users, passcodes, RFID, fingerprints, and Face ID. Thanks for watching.